is turning 12, and you know what? You got your name on a bat. Check that out. Check that out.
It's kind of like the bat picked him.
That's right. That's why he rakes out there. Happy birthday, Gunner in the knack.
All right. And Thor Bogle celebrating birthday number 12 this year in Chanute. All right.
Dominique Ellsworth, he's celebrating his 14th birthday. Dominic, a very happy birthday in Iola.
All right. In Fort Scott, turning 14, Ryder Newton. Loving all these baseball picks.
I love that. Love that. Those may be yard balls he's got right there. He may have hit two. I hope he did. If not, he will someday. Natalie Lewis is celebrating her 17th birthday. Natalie, have a great one. She is in Parsons.
All right, Austin Baylor celebrating birthday number 20. Another baseball pick there.
Another one
in
out on the
Diamond,
field.
Missouri.
Great. Dylan McElwain is turning 26. He's that dude right there in the middle. And Dylan, I want you to know this comes with love from the entire family.
All right, and in Pittsburgh, Daniel Prophet turning 38 years old this year. Hope it's a great one, Daniel.
Karen Dietz, check it out. Happy 43rd, Karen. I want you to have a marvelous birthday. Wonderful woman right there. Karen celebrates in Crestline.
All right, haven't seen you in a minute, Karen. Hope you're doing well. Happy birthday. Benji McLaughlin turning 71 years old this year in Wyandotte.
And we've got Lou Winslow. Mr. Winslow turning 88. And a special happy birthday from Lou's kids, Linda and Kevin, Charlie and Shanda, Milton and Rosemary, and all of her grandchildren. Lou, a very happy birthday, and I love the picture. She's in Lamar.
I love that picture too. In Columbus, Janet McKenzie celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday, Janet.
Kristen O'Brien, everybody at St. Mary's. I want you to stop by the principal's office today. Practice your social distancing and wish Miss O'Brien a very, very happy birthday from all of us.
All right, happy birthday, Kristen. Hope you have a great day. A lot of happy birthday wishes from the kids. Jeff and Carla Tersner celebrating their 37th anniversary this year. They are in Hepler, Kansas.
Janet Wydick is celebrating a birthday in McCune. Happy birthday to Janet. Dixie Perry. The party commences in Columbus. Roger and Carolyn Dutro. They are celebrating their 35th anniversary. Congratulations to Roger and Carolyn in Chanute. And Jim and Juanita Mabel, well, they are celebrating the Mabies. They are celebrating their 26th anniversary. Congratulations to Jim and Juanita. They are celebrating in Joplin. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. And that's where you can send them into. Birthdays at koamtv.com, or you can go to our website, koamnewsnow.com. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.